Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama. What's up? If today is your first time stopping by to my channel, you are highly welcome. May God bless you. Kindly do me a favor by clicking that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I upload new videos like this. And to my returning subscribers, may God bless you all. Today I'm vlogging my lifestyle. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Yes, this is your girl Mama. What's up? I'm a married woman living in Germany with 3 kids. I do lifestyle video, talk video. I do cooking, hairstyle, and if you have any video suggestion you want me to film, you can always drop it at the comment section down below. Yes. So, before I forget, we are vlogging our lifestyle. Shout out to Oluchi, a friend. She's not a YouTuber. She requested this video. She asked me to make this video for her. So, yeah, she said I should make this video, that she wants to see my daily routine. Yes, so I'm vlogging my lifestyle, everything I'm doing for today, my workout, my eating and all that. So hope you enjoy watching and continue watching. Please, if you love what I do, please kindly join the family by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I upload new videos like this. Yes, to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys so much. God bless you all. So guys, continue watching and tell me what you think at the end of this video. I would like to hear your thoughts at the comment section down below. Yes guys, so let's continue watching. Yeah, so it's morning. I'm preparing breakfast. As you can see, I just woke up from sleep, pray, brush my teeth, trying to prepare breakfast for the family, for my kids. Yes, this is how I do my daily routine every morning. Yeah, so I'm frying egg for the breakfast. Yes guys, and after then I will serve it for all of us to enjoy. Yes, I'm making my coffee. As you can see, I'm trying to make a coffee. I love drinking coffee in the morning. Yes, I use sweetener and milk. Yes, so that is it guys. Keep watching. Yeah. So guys, yes, I am done with working out. Yeah, since the COVID, you cannot go out and do exercise, so most at times I do gym in the house. Thank God that I have little things I can use to exercise myself, to burn fats. Yes, so I'm just relaxing with my fruits and a cup of water after the exercise. As you can see, you saw me drink a cup of water. Yes, it's very important. Then after then I will just check my PC, check my emails, check my YouTubers friends. If I have anyone, I will watch his or her videos, just surf in the internet, do one or two things. Yes, then we have our dinner. Yes guys, continue watching and tell me what you think concerning this video. And at the same time, I still want to shout out to Oluchi for requesting this video. If you still have any video suggestion you want me to make, please kindly drop it at the comment section down below. Yes, at this moment guys, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly join the family. That will go a long way. Smash that red sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a like. Yeah, feel free to share my videos. It's a way of making me to grow. Yes, I will really appreciate if you like this video and drop your comment. Yes, it's night already, so we just finished having our dinner. My kids are just eating salad. We are just taking some salad. Yes, so after then we'll call it a day. Yeah, so guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoy watching, please tell me what you think at the comment section down below. Feel free to share my video guys. I will really appreciate it. It's a way of helping me to grow. Yeah, and don't forget